Good morning, students. നമുക്ക് അടുത്തൊരു പ്രോബ്ലം ചെയ്യാം. Locate all relative maxima, minima or saddle point of the function f of xy is equal to x square plus y square plus 6x plus 12. First we calculate fx. Partially differentiating 2x plus 6. Then fy. Partially differentiating the function with respect to y, we get 2y, only 2y. Then 2x plus 6 is equal to 0. Fx is equal to 0. 2y is equal to 0. Therefore, y is equal to 0. Then 2x plus 6 is equal to minus 6. X is equal to minus 3. Therefore, critical point is minus 3, 0. Critical point is minus 3, 0. Then calculate fxx to fyy. That is equal to fxy. Fxy is equal to 0. Then calculate the value of d. Value of d, here all are constant function. Fx is a constant function, fyy is a constant function, fxy is equal to 0. All are constant function. Calculate the value of d, that is 2 into 2 minus 0. 2 into 2 minus 0, that is 4 greater than 0. Here, fxx is equal to 2, that is greater than 0. Therefore, the point minus 3, 0 is relative minimum. Relative minimum.